Hey everybody, so let's try to solve this math problem. So the question reads, the two graphs above show the total amounts of money that Ian and Jeremy each have deposited into their savings accounts for the first 7 weeks after opening their accounts. After they made their initial deposits, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? So let's try to understand what this plot really tells us. On the y-axis, we've got total amount deposited in dollars, and on the x-axis, we've got number of weeks. So let's first look at Ian. So Ian starts out with $100 deposited. Bear in mind that the y-axis is the total amount deposited. It's the total amount of money they have in their accounts. So on week number 0, Ian has $100 in his account. Week number 1, he's got 200. Week number 2, he's got $300. So we can see, if you follow this pattern, that Ian seems to be depositing $100 every week to his account. So Ian deposits $100 every week to his account. If you look at Jeremy, he starts off with $300 when he creates his account. And on week number 1, he's putting somewhere between 300 and 400. On week number 2, we can see that Jeremy has $400 in his account. And every 2 weeks, we see that he seems to be putting $100 into his account. So if Jeremy puts in $100 in 2 weeks, that means weekly he's putting $50 in his account. So that's how much Jeremy is depositing into his account. So let's go ahead and reread the actual question. After they made their initial deposits, how much more? So at that point, you know the initial deposits are irrelevant to this question. The question is, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? And we just found out that Ian puts in $100 to his account and Jeremy puts in 50. So it is clear that Ian puts in $50 more than Jeremy to his account per week. So the answer is C. Thank you.